In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the domain name on Squarespace. First, log into your Squarespace website. On the left-hand side, scroll down and click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. Once you're inside the settings, look for and click on Domains and Email on the left-hand side of your screen. After that, click on Domains option on your front screen. Here, you'll see the built-in domain provided by Squarespace. You can click on it to change the initial part of the domain, but keep in mind it will always end with squarespace.com as a subdomain. If you'd like to use your own custom domain, go back to the domain options. You'll see two main choices: either get a new domain or use a domain you already own. If you already have a domain, click on Use a Domain I Own. Enter your domain in the input box and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to verify ownership and provide details about your domain provider. If you want to purchase a new domain, select the Get a Domain option. In the search box, enter your desired name or business name. You'll see a list of available domain options, and you can choose the one you like best. The more unique a domain is, the more it is going to cost. Once you've selected a domain, click on Checkout. Then, under Term Length, use the drop-down menu to choose how long you'd like to register the domain for. Usually the minimum is 1 year. On the right-hand side, you'll see the total cost. Click Save and Continue. Finally, enter your payment information and complete the checkout process. Once payment is confirmed, your new domain will be added to your Squarespace site. And this is how you can change your domain name on Squarespace.